Good day, I am John Paul Galit. Now, I will discuss about the personnel and the office law. Personnel in the office will consist of the following. First, partners. Partners are primarily those senior lawyers who are responsible for gathering or generating the firm's revenue. The standards for equity partnership vary from firm to firm. Associate lawyers. Associate attorneys are early career lawyers who work for law firms to gain experience and hone their. The secretary is who is usually called the law secretary or legal secretary. A secretary is a person who is employed to take care of records, letters, and routine works for other person. Stenographer who are responsible in taking down minutes of the meeting. Stenographers take dictation using either shorthand notation or a stenotype machine. Then, later, transcribe their notes into business documents. Fifth, the bookkeeper or the bookkeepers. Bookkeepers' role in the office law are recording transactions such as income and outgoings and posting them to various accounts, receiving payments, and conducting daily banking activities. A law clerk. One of the responsibilities and to support attorneys by assembling and organizing information for legal documents, researching law, assembling case materials, writing reports, and memoranda. 7 is managing clerks, typists, telephone operators, and last one, messengers and janitors, and several lawyers may share the service of one messenger in a small office. Equipment and supplies used in a law office. The kind and type of equipment and supplies used in a law office will depend upon the nature, size, and the personnel in the office. The following are usually needed in a law office. Number 1 is filing cabinets. A filing cabinet is a piece of office furniture usually used to store paper documents in file folders. Second, divider. Facility management teams can use them to solve a lot of different office issues, from privacy to noise control. Bookcase or the bookcases. A bookcase or bookshelf is a piece of furniture shelves often in the cabinet used to store book or other printed materials. Shelves. Shelf is used in a home, business, store, or elsewhere to hold items that are being displayed. Fifth, tables and chairs. 6. The telephone. 7. Cassettes with black tape. With cassettes, the only time staff members come into direct contact with instruments is in a operatory with patients. Stapler and stapler remover. The computer. Some of the many uses of computers in office work are writing letters, sending emails, scheduling meetings, and collaborating with co-workers and clients. The manual typewriter. The typewriter quickly became an indispensable tool for practically all writing other than personal handwritten correspondence. Xerox machine, if necessary. Multifunction printers combine printers and color copies to simplify the workplace, along with printing and copying. Last, pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener is a tool for sharpening a pencil's writing point by shaving away its worn surface. I will share to you some of information about equipment and supplies. Supplies like legal size bond paper, envelope with letterhead stationery, second sheets, onion sheets, erasers, legal cup, folder, scratch pad, brown large and ordinary sized envelopes, memo paper, stencil, carbons, pencil colors, pencil ball pen, spiral bond stenographer book. Then for the stationery supplies, in addition to the usual stationery used for correspondence law, offices have many kinds of paper of legal work. Stationery supplies used for various purposes in a typical law office law follow. Legal cup is white paper 8 by 13 or 8.5 by 14 with wide ruled margins at the left and a narrow ruled margin at the right. It is used for court paper and for legal instruments such as agreements, contracts, and the like. Substance 16 is used for the original art ribbon copy. Legal cup, substance 20. For the original of wills, substance 13 for the carbon copies. In some state, legal cup has numbers along the left margin. The type of fee charged is important for record and bookkeeping purposes. These are classified as follows. The single retainer. The client retains the lawyer for a specific case and agrees to pay a specific fees. Part of the retainer fees is paid in advance. Yearly fees. Many organizations retain the lawyer on an annual basis. It is necessary to know whether a specific matter is covered by the retainer on its to be charged separately. The contingent fee. The amount is contingent upon the amount recovered for successful outcome of the case. This kind of fee is customary in personal injury cases, especially if the client is unable to pay lawyer for this time. Expect out of the damages, he might recover a certain percentage is used for payment. The forwarding fee. forwarding fee, usually case is retired to a lawyer by somebody or a firm. A percentage of the fee earned is sent to forwarding attorney. The collection charge. The collection of commercial items is a special branch of law practice. The standard amount is based on percentage of the amount collections of the law secretary. The legal secretary. Assistants work with the lawyers. In a legal office, her duties are: number 1, composing letter or memo, handling appointments and reminder system, handling telephone calls, handling reception work, filing, keep account and charge, disbursement and collections, following office cases on court calendars, taking down minutes during the meeting, taking down proceeding during investigation and during court hearing, maintaining the court docket or suite register, typing legal documents, acting as a cashier, handling financial matters, and last one, performs other related duties. Qualification of the legal secretaries and the legal assistants. First, holder of an appropriate bachelor degree, secretarial course, office administration, or other related courses. Formal study in areas of psychology, economics, and literature, other foreign language aside from English. Second, possess basic skill and knowledge skills in the 3 R's, including an 4th R, which is reasoning knowledge of office procedure. Third, possess specific skills, shorthand, typing, transcription, and operation of office, machine computers, adding machines, typewriter, either electric or manual, calculator, duplicating machine, etc. Fourth, has familiarity with terms and legal procedures. Fifth, possess attractive, pleasant to work with personality. Sixth, has had previous training and experience in office work. Last, has effective communication skills, both written and oral. So that's all of my report. Thank you. The manual typewriter. The typewriter quickly became an indispensable tool for practically all writing other than personal handwritten correspondence. Xerox machine, if necessary. Multifunction printers combine printers and color copies to simplify the workplace, along with printing and copying. So that's all of my report. Thank you.